Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to the contacts if you are not here, and then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be one and only Carrie. Then tap on Info, and you can smoothly edit this contact by tapping on Edit. Click on the camera tab, and now you can either choose something from the default pictures. So as you can see here, you've got them. They are sorted into categories, so you can smoothly locate something that you would like to apply. But also you can add picture from your gallery or grab a photo by yourself right now. But I will pick something from the gallery. Let me choose this one. And now it's time to personalize it, so you can make it bigger or smaller. You can also rotate it, but I will leave it this way. And finally tap on Done. Click on Save. And that's it. As you can see, this picture is assigned to Carrie, so anytime she will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first on your screen. So that would be all. So you can add profile picture to contact in your device in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.